So here we have exercise 3C, number 4, letter K. And this, in essence, is a square. And it's, if you could use the model of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared as a model to expand it out, or if you need to see it, what you'll get is you can write it out fully in expanded form and sort it that way. So we can do that, just so you see it all broken down. So we're going to distribute first the radical 5 to both terms in the second parenthesis, and then the negative 2 radical 2 to both terms in the second parenthesis. So radical 5 times radical 5 is 5. And then radical 5 times negative 2 radical 2 is going to be negative 2 radical 10, right? If you need to see it written this way, we can write it up here. And remember, there's an imaginary 1, or there's a 1 in front of this, right here, right? And your coefficients are negative 2 times 1, negative 2. And then you multiply the radicals. 2 times 5 is 10. That stays inside here. Okay? So, let's go back to it. Now, the next two terms I'm going to multiply is I'm going to take this negative 2 radical 2 times radical 5. Hey, that sounds familiar, doesn't it? So again, I get negative 2 radical 10. And then the last thing I'm going to do is multiply negative 2 radical 2 times negative 2 radical 2, giving me positive. 2 times 2 is 4. And I really get radical 4 here, but that's the same thing as 4 times 2, right? Because radical 4, the square root of 4, is 2. So I have 5 in front, and I'm going to combine my like terms here. These are like terms because they both have a radical 10 with a coefficient in front, so I'm simply going to add the coefficients in front, and I get negative 4, keep the radical 10, and plus 4 times 2. So I have 5 plus 8, I'm going to bring this in front because they're like terms, minus 4 radical 10, and 13 minus 4 radical 10 is my answer.